Uba Prestone Tinsang Menteri Rangba Benrap ke Sarkar Jylla ulang balapan phai biaya ke tourist Kiba Wan Suwari Jylla Tang Shi Sngi kenangan penting kenai ke jing shangan ki nong jong ke Jylla kini ke tourist ki bashapan phai kim dei bas hoye namara le kini na kabenta ke jing bah ki ba.
Just for one day, morning you go, evening you go back. Who will do that medical test? Nobody likes. That's why we said only those tourists who supposed to stay 2 days beyond. It is worth it for them to spend more time because they spend also so much of time for formalities and especially for the test, because the test it takes you not less than 6-7 hours to get the report, is it not? So therefore they should not feel bad.
Laba kdo hangni bamenda ka Sarkar Jylla kalasha ki tourist bandrung lingba ke entry gate ke badan ha umling tangi ki tourist ki bawan ke Jylla ki basa la kumno arsngi ka badunado benda kumba praspa angut shisngi ki tourist ki poisha ke Jylla manla ka sngi la pen phai biang ye kumba shispa san phongot habokran halor ki jingin tho nei kong ampri lingdo MLA ka sen Congress uba Prestone ulong bai kong ampri ni sgotho baklai ki kindon te lakam.
Yes, I saw the reaction made by our honorable MLA Dr. Aprin Lingdo. I think she misunderstands things. In fact, we don't say that don't come. During normal time, where was this question arises? Nothing. But why we have the restriction as of now is because we wanted really to make sure that the residents of the state are fully safe.